Hello friends, this is Shoaib and welcome back to my channel Max More. I hope you all are safe at home. Today we are going to cover Eicher 2112M LP CWC, which is 10-meter medium length high performance chassis. So let's start the video and explore its features in details. This is a faceless call with overall width of 2412 mm. You can make a 2600 mm width bus body on it, which is maximum approved width in India for a bus body. You will get AC or non-AC both chassis option on this platform. Let's move to the side profile. This one is LP model, so you will get less front overhang of just 1370 mm. AC compressor is available with AC chassis only. A low maintenance LFL propeller shaft is fitted in this chassis. This model has a wheelbase of 5330 mm with overall length of 9856 mm. A heavy duty 9R20 16PR radial tire is available. Reverse parking sensor is available. This is Domex 650 chassis having a strength of 650 megapascal compared to competitors PSK 46 strength having just 450 megapascal. And it's not surprised to know that same material uses by Volvo buses across the world. It has a very strong C section of 210 into 76 into 6 mm. It's a 13-ton GVW chassis, but don't worry, all load will be carried on a heavy-duty Weber suspension, which is normally being seen on 16-ton chassis. AdBlue tank capacity is 27 liter. It has a large 190 liter SDPA fuel tank. Currently, two types heat systems are available in the market, box type and cigar type. This one is cigar type and it's compliance with BS6 norms to treat exhaust gases of the vehicles. A real-time assistant to driver is available through a fuel coaching system. Steering is tilt and telescopic. Driver can adjust according to its best position. A best in segment cruise control is fitted where driver can lock speed above 30 kmph for a smoother ride plus better fuel economy. With the help of M-Booster Plus, driver can drive vehicle in 3 mode like Power in Heli or full load, Eco for up to 50% load and Eco Plus basically for the empty vehicle run. All drivers get training in dealership before delivery for all these features. Let's move to the engine part. You will get a powerful E494 series Eicher engine with a power output of 160 horsepower with a Newton-meter torque of 500 Nm combined with a 6+1 overdrive gearbox. Driver get real-time assistance with fuel coaching system. However, sometimes at high speed, it's difficult to see the symbols. So Eicher also introduced real-time color band assistance, like always drive in green band. And if it turns blue color, means something is not right and attract the driver attention to fuel coaching symbols. Let's start the engine and hear its sound. Maintenance is very low in this chassis because first service comes in 60,000 kilometers, and also Eicher is offering 4 lakh or 4-year warranty with this product. I hope you all like this video. If yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more related videos. This is Shoaib signing off. Keep safe. Jai Hind.